Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 14, trial balance and errors. So we know what is trial balance. In our previous class we have prepared a trial balance from the ledger to the trial balance. In this chapter we will be studying how to prepare a trial balance and step to locate the errors and the different types of errors. So we know what a trial balance is. Let us take down an illustration as to how do we prepare the trial balance. So let us go on to illustration 2. Prepare trial balance from the following balances of Keshan Chand. They have given us name of accounts. So they have not given whether it will be debit side or credit side. We need to classify it whether it is debit side or credit side and prepare the trial balance. Always remember that all the assets will show the debit balances. All liabilities will have credit balances. Capital account will always be credit balance. Drawings will always be debit balance. Purchases and sales return is debit balance. Sales and purchase return is credit balance. All the expenses are debit balance. All the incomes are credit balance. So according to this, we will be classifying whether it is debit or credit. So first we have opening stock. It is a debit balance. Purchases, debit. Purchase return, credit. Sales, credit. Sales return, debit. Rent is an expense, so debit. Salary is expense, debit. Advertisement, debit. Commission received, it is an income, so credit. Discount they have already given credit, so credit. Furniture is a asset, debit balance. Machinery, debit balance. Debtors, debit balance. Creditors is liability, credit balance. Bills receivable is asset, debit balance. Bills payable, credit balance. Cash in hand, debit. Bank overdraft is liability, so credit. Interest on bank overdraft is debit. Capital, credit. Drawings, debit. Input CGST will be, it is made on purchases, so debit. SGST, debit. Output CGST and SGST is made on sales, so it is credit. After we have return, which is debit side and credit side, we would be preparing the trial balance. So what is the heading? Trial balance as on 31st March 2018. We know the format. We have particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first is name of accounts, LF, debit, credit. So first we have opening stock, 20,000 debit. Purchases, 85,000 debit. Purchase return, 5,000 credit. Sales, 1,60,000 credit. Sales return, 6,200 debit. Rent, 1,200 debit. Salaries, 5,700 debit. Advertisement, 880 debit. Commission received, 1,440 credit. Discount, in bracket they have already given credit, 710. Furniture, 6,000. Machinery, 62,000. Debtors, 36,000. Creditors, 12,750. Bills receivable, 4,600. Bills payable, 2,500 credit side. Cash in hand, 4,600. 11,220 debit side. Bank overdraft, 10,000 credit side. Interest on bank overdraft 1,800 debit side. Capital 50,000 credit side. Drawings 7,800 debit side. Input CGST 5,000 debit side. Input SGST 5,000 debit side. Output CGST 8,000 credit side. Output SGST 8,000 credit side. So we need to total our trial balance. What is the total? Debit side 2,58,400. 2,58,400 is the credit side. If our trial balancing tallying, which means it is correct. Let's take the another illustration, that is illustration 4. From the following list of balances extracted from books of R. Dravid and Sons, prepare trial balance. The amount required to balance should be entered as capital. So in the question they have given us that if you have any balancing figure, that will be entered as capital. So purchases debit balance, stock opening stock debit balance, sales credit balance, sundry expenses debit balance, leasehold premises debit balance, freehold premises debit balance, return inward debit balance, furniture and fixture debit balance, equipment debit balance, repairs to equipment debit balance, depreciation debit balance, proprietor's withdrawal is nothing but drawings debit balance, sundry debtors debit balance, creditors credit balance, bad debts debit balance, investment debit balance, interest on investment credit balance as it is a income, long term borrowing credit balance, loan from UTI bank credit balance, interest on loan it is an expense so debit balance, petty cash account debit balance, bank balances debit balance. Stock on 31st March 2017 not adjusted, so closing stock is not written in trial balance. Closing stock will not be written as it is not adjusted. Usually closing stock is always written in the trading account. So in the trial balance there will be no closing stock. So let us prepare the trial balance. Trial balance as on 31st March 2017. So we have name of accounts, LF, debit balances, credit balances. So name of account, first one we have purchases. It's a debit balance of 18,20,000. Then we have stock on 1st April 3,50,000. Sales 40 lakh. Sundry expenses 15,000. Leasehold premises, you need to write the full form of everything. Short forms are not allowed. 5 lakh. Freehold premises 18 lakh. Return inward 25,000. Furniture and fixtures 2,90,000. Equipment 8 lakh. Repairs to equipment 5,000. Depreciation 80,000. Drawings, or you can also write proprietor's withdrawal 60,000. Debtors 3,60,000. Creditors 1,20,000. Bad debts 10,000. Investments at 10% 2 lakh. Interest on investment 20,000 credit side. Long term borrowing 6 lakh. Loan from UTI 8 lakh. Interest on loan 65,000. Petty cash account 400. Bank balance 34,600. So what is the total? Our debit side total is 64,15,000 and our credit side total is 55,40,000. So 64,15,000 minus 54,40,000. What's the balance we get? 8,75,000. So in the question they have said that balance will be treated as capital. So balancing figure is 8,75,000. So what is the total of credit side balance now? It is 64,15,000. Clear? If in the question they have said that the balancing figure will be treated as capital, so whatever balancing figure we get will be treated as capital on the credit side. After the problem, write down a note. Closing stock will not figure in the trial balance because it has not yet been brought into account. Let us take down one more illustration, that is illustration 5. The following trial balance has been prepared by an inexperienced accountant. Redraft in correct form. So, an accountant has prepared a wrong trial balance. We need to redraft it and put it into correct form. So, cash in hand debit balance, it is correct. Machinery debit balance, correct. Purchase debit balance, correct. Sundry debtors debit balance, correct. Carriage inward debit balance is correct. Carriage outward, they have said credit balance, it is wrong. It should be debit balance. So, carriage outward will be debit balance. Wages debit balance is correct. Rent and taxes debit balance is correct. Sundry creditors credit balance is correct. Discount allowed, it is an expense. So they have written on the credit side, which is wrong. It should be written on the debit side. Return outward is what? Purchase return. They have written on the debit side. It should be written on the credit side. Return inward, they have written on the credit side. It should be written on the debit side. Then we have capital. They have written on the debit side. It should be written on the credit side. Drawings is written on the credit side. It should be written on the debit side. Bank loan should be written on the credit side. They have written on debit side. Interest on loan is correct. That is debit side. Opening stock they have written credit side, but it should be written on the debit side. Sales is correct, credit side. Discount receipt they have written on debit side. It should be written on credit side. So this is how you will be correcting the trial balance. Whichever entries they have done wrong, that is written on the debit or credit side, we need to do it in the correct form and redraft the trial balance. So write down the heading, corrected trial balance. We have name of accounts, LF, debit and credit. First we have cash in hand, 4,100 debit side. Machinery, 25,000 debit side. Purchases, 66,200 debit side. Debtors, 24,300 debit side. Carriage inward, 1,800 debit side. Carriage outward is written wrong, 700 will be debit side. Wages, 17,500 debit side. Rent and taxes, 5,300 debit side. Then we have creditors, 17,000 credit side. Discount allowed, 1,200 debit side. Return outward, 2,400 credit side. Return inward, 9,600 debit side. Capital, 30,000 credit side. Drawings, 6,300 debit side. bank loan 10,000 credit side, interest on loan 1,500 debit side, opening stock 26,200 debit side, sales 1,28,700 credit side, discount received 1,600 credit side. So what is the total of a trial balance? 1,89,700. 1,89,700. Our trial balance is correct, which means whatever we have drafted is right. Clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.